With the coming experience, the coming experience. It's fun inside Accra.
Be you be the goat vlog?
Yeah.
What time the goat time it be?
Oh, it depends the size.
No more. At the great sir. Olavia. Sanukade.
Accra with you. Today, for the first time, I'm coming to one of the biggest slaughterhouses in Ghana. If you want like a live goat to for them to kill it, slaughter it, do everything for you, prepare it for you. People buy it here to travel. It's near Jamestown. Let me flip my camera so that you can see it for yourself. Let's go and get some live goats. Okay, the ones that they be average now. I'm for beside say unyano here. Come with me.
If you be the goat vlog?
Yeah.
What time the goat time it be?
Oh, it depends the size. From 1,005, 1,008, 2,000, 2,500. Yeah.
Then come your way and they search you. What be your name?
Abdurazak.
If the goats vlog this, the goats vlog that.
But they.
No more. At the great sir. Olavia. Sanukade. Me right now. Tell this cow. See the cow. Charlie. Here and there. If you come with, you don't know anybody here, you come and roam around now. Yeah, you too. This is Accra. This is how I had here to turn number. It's all smoked meat here. Major Accra. This is Accra, man. Accra, me fan. Me fan chat, but for saying I number 2, I'm the correct one. Oh.
In the city of Accra, this is one of the few places you can get your farmer's kind of level of goods, where you would go and you would select what you want and you would decide what you want. It depends if you want the foreign brand or if you want the local brand. You're probably asking yourself, why am I shopping this sort of stuff here in this vlog? Tomorrow, I'm gonna have a house party with my friends and we are coming to buy goods, and we're going to go to Makola to buy food stuff to prepare our soup, and also we're going to eat as well, to look out for the Jamestown Kenkey to eat as well. So that's why I'm showing you this, the raw side of Accra.
Charlie, we're be Accra Central. I mean, like the heart of the city of Accra. That's where the market is. So let me show you what's going on. Okay. Where are you now?
We're in Makola.
Okay.
Bachelor of 5 6 animal 7 6. Bottle 8 animal.
What's the animal get 8 cities?
Bottle 8 6 animal 10 6.
Oh, okay. My bottle there no. And I per rubber. Where is your? Okay, then my any rubber no. 7 cities there no. Rubber no. Now my 3 white.
Animal.
This is one of the most rawest experience you would get in Ghana. This is actually malt and milk. I had to find somewhere to sit and wait for the ladies that I came here with for them to go and finish the shopping.
So I'm coming to buy the Jamestown Kenkey. I'll go find out and see if it'll be nice. My Charlie. Jamestown Kenkey House. I go search them, but there's something I don't even know where I will find out. It's a second George, London Market or something like that. I feel them my Kenkey House. Hopefully it's nice. Charlie, you fake Tim rough.
This is normally not the sight that you get to see, but these people were really kind for me to actually film how they make the kinki, the fish frying process and everything else. And I was happy that I got to actually experience it, because this is not the side that you get to see of Accra every day.
But yeah, let's hope it's nice as we hope it is.
One thing I enjoyed about the experience is there were no house flies there, barely any house flies around. And also they took their time to explain the cost of the fish and all that stuff. And you just sit down, you tell them what you want, and they'll package everything nicely and just bring it to you. Oh, and by the way, they sell shito, so if you want to get some shito to take with you whenever you're done eating, definitely, that's a shito right there.
Charlie, this will be the coming experience. The coming experience. It's fun inside a crowd. Think it can be.
The presentation is 10 out of 10. The softness and the deliciousness of the kinki is 10 out of 10. This is the experience of a lifetime.
The sweating has started.
This has been an eventful day and it's been fun. Honestly, I could do this all over again. Getting my stuff, my whole goods for the party tomorrow, and the ingredients, and also experiencing Makola, although the girls were leading, and the nice kinki that I had, 10 out of 10 day. I hope you guys come back tomorrow. I'm not going to invite you to the party anyway, but I'm glad you've experienced this. This is 233 experience and you know what I do. So I hope you subscribe, because this I'll be bringing you all is this time of the year. Thank you so much for watching today's episode of 233 Experience. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It does so much to support us. As a friend or family, this is your way of showing your support. Share your own experience in the comments below. And until next time, keep exploring, keep learning and keep living the 233 Experience.